Yeah, we're here in Cafe du Tukon for dinner. Arugula salad. Food, beef medallion, shoestring, rice, turmeric chicken. Gusto mo rice?
Yeah, I think so.
And what's your study?
Pork belly.
Very good, pork belly. Ang sarap naman.
Mm.
Our top one is this one.
It's good. Crispy pork belly and
With
pesto sauce.
pesto sauce. Top two. Beef medallion. And this one is the third. It's really nice. Dessert time. Chocolate for me. Dulce de leche cheesecake. Ay, no. Babe, let's try the cheesecake. Ay. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. It's raining. Hi, guys. So that's it for today. We didn't do anything. We just went here to eat. And we're gonna come back here tomorrow for lunch because it's really good.
Because what?
Because it's really good. Mapapaputang yung tao.
Let this bitch, you know.
Bye! Welcome to Cafe du Tukon, which is part of Fundación Pasita. Hello guys, they actually have a museum here, but it's currently closed because it's under renovation. Let's try to. This one's really lovely. It has everything about Batanes. This is, I think, the Marlborough Hills. The their stays for their food, the Bono, stone houses, bayanihan. I forgot what they call this, but this is their boat. What else is here? I'm not sure who he is. Not sure. And what else? The cathedral. I think this is Immaculada. And where we are, Fundación Pasita. They're actually the most expensive accommodation here in Batanes. I think that's the accommodation. And it's 10,000 per night, and you're only allowed to book for at least 2 nights. And I think that's Pasita. You also have a private garden, but you can't access it. It's only for the hotel guest. Let's see. Yeah, that's her. That's the way you the accommodation. And that's it. I think she's famous for this art. This one, exactly. Pasita Abad. Pizza is here. It's made of sausage, arugula, and pomodoro sauce. Ay, sorry. Hindi nyo nakita. That's it. Smoked sausage. Come on, let's try it. Hindi nga. Malay mo na. Try mo lang with one bite. With arugulas, maybe. Ruben, okay. Let's try. Ay, it has garlic. Garlic ba yan?
Yeah.
Ay, ang cute. Ang haba.
Sarap siya.
Sarap. Sweet, no?
Very Italian na pizza.
Ay, tikman ko yung sausage. Pero yung arugula ang sarap. Very good.
Golden buzzer siya sa akin. Yung bawang na makakaloka.
Ano yan? Good for the heart. We have pasta lasagna and beef medallion again. Okay, we're gonna eat. Look. Ay, cut ko lang. Look. Binuo na naman niya. Hindi ko kailangan ng blood. Na-high blood.
Gigig.
Okay na tayo.
Oo. Beef. Ay, sa kanya yung isa.
Tapos yung plate mo. Dapat na.
We're trying out. Ay, naka-on. We're trying out the beef medallion of Teddy.
So freaking good.
Sarap. Parang mas masarap. Wait lang, ulitin ko lang. Parang mas masarap yung kapon.
Medyo well.
Yung lasa niya. Hindi ko sure, Teddy. Hindi nudge.
Hindi siya golden butter tayo today.
Hindi siya golden butter sa akin for today's video. Tinikman mo? Ano? Same lang? Hindi rin?
Wala, ganyan pa rin.
Ano talaga?
Tangan, lagyan mo ba nung parang yellow na sauce? Lagyan mo ng yellow na sauce.
I'm gonna try out. It's the lasagna. Is this mine? No. Hala, ang sarap.
Sa'yo yun.
Ang sarap tingnan. Okay. That's yours, Ruben. Tsaka na kumain. Guys. Lasagna. Pesto lasagna. Let's try it again. Yummy. Yummy. Our desserts are here. We're gonna judge them one by one.
Okay.
Oh, one moment. This is the cheese. I don't know what do you call this one. Dulce de leche cheesecake. This is the calamansi pie. Contestant number 2. Contestant number Savlog chocolate. It looks like a mousse. At tatalon siya. Okay.
Let's go. I'll begin the...
Uy,
Ito ka,
bigyan
ito
tayo.
mo yung toka mo.
Bigyan tayo sa 1 para
Okay.
Sino bang
so I could number 1.
Sino bang number 1?
This one na lang.
Ah, hindi
Let's judge.
sabay-sabay. Okay.
Sabay-sabay.
Okay.
Let's judge. One
Sige.
by one. Sige. May chocolate sauce baka gusto niyo.
Ayun.
Hala, sayang. Masyado ka bang malayo? Gusto mo i-move closer yan?
Good.
Wait, di ko maintindihan.
Gusto ko lang hindi siya nakatamis.
Wait, again. Again. With the chocolate sauce. Right?
Okay.
Hirap.
Yum. Oh, it's yummy. I can't explain, but it's a mousse with... It's like tiramisu, no? No, tiramisu is coffee pero how you make a tiramisu is something. Kasi layered siya, layered chocolate.
This chocolate, but it doesn't scream, oh, I'm chocolate.
Yeah.
It tells you, oh, I'm
Very-
chocolate. What the?
Ay, there's something pala.
Crisps.
Crisp na chocolate coated something.
Proper.
Wave, yeah. This one, I'll try again the chocolate mousse.
Yan na hulog.
Ano ba yun? Ngayon pa lang sayang eh.
Yung chocolate mousse, not that smooth. Medyo may
Okay,
something.
next na.
Okay, contestant number
Medyo
2.
tapos natin yung mga puti bago yung mga.
Contestant number 2. Or yours, mamaya na, we'll rank it later.
Calamansi cake.
Calamansi pie. Okay, let's go. Dito ako sa tip. Parang lemon slice, lemon bar. Lemon slice. It's a lemon slice. You'll like this
But
one.
it used the native calamansi instead of lemon
Yup.
or lime.
Very nice.
Tang.
Very nice.
Cinnamon tala.
Yes.
Golden buzzer.
Very nice golden buzzer. Ben will like this one. One more. Sorry. Very nice. Hindi siya. Perfect.
Yung defending champion.
Defending champion from last.
Kalaban na gabi.
Defending champion from last night. We need to spread the anis. The cream.
Kainin niyo sila ako.
I'm worried about this one.
Feeling ko madedetron siya.
Spread ko na lang ah. Or defending champion. Hindi, for
Hindi, feeling ko hindi.
clean palette.
Friends yung
Let's be fair.
game.
Ay, mas natigas siya. Mas okay yung ano niya.
Gagawin siya pa rin. Utang niya. Ganyan. Para sa kanya ito pa. Pero lumalaw.
Kalamansi ako. So, may bias agad ako eh. Bago.
Happiness. Happiness, yung smoothness ng cheesecake. Okay, let's vote. Who's your number 3?
Stop.
Number 2. Number 1. Pero tayong taste. Okay, that's it, guys. Heading back to Manila. This is the end of this video. I hope you enjoy watching this. And please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Bye!